In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your Wix site with audio elements using manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com. So whether you're looking to add background music, an audio track, or even a music player, this guide will walk you through the process. Let's get started. First, you're going to want to head over to wix.com and sign into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be brought to your dashboard. This is where all the magic begins. From the dashboard, locate the Edit Site button, a crucial gateway to your site's customization. Clicking on this will open Wix's site editor, where you can start adding elements to your website. Now, once you are in the editor, take a look at the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a menu with various options. Find the button marked with a plus sign, usually labeled as Add. Clicking Add opens a wealth of content options that you can incorporate into your site. For the purpose of today's guide, navigate to the section labeled Video and Music. This section is specifically designed for audio and multimedia elements. After selecting Video and Music, you'll be presented with different audio options, including an audio player, background music, and the Wix Music Player. Depending on the style and layout of your site, choose the option that fits best. If you have a specific audio file you want to upload, make sure it's an MP3 format for compatibility. Once uploaded, take a moment to adjust the track settings to ensure it aligns with your site's aesthetic and functionality. Adjustments might include volume, start time, and visibility settings. Now let's move on to ensure your audio functionalities are optimized. In the settings of the audio element, turn on AutoPlay so the audio starts automatically when visitors land on your page. Additionally, if you want continuous playback or are planning a playlist, enabling the loop function is a good idea for modern browser compliance and to avoid potential AutoPlay block issues. Consider setting the autoplay to muted initially. After you've set up your audio to your liking, it's important to preview the changes. The preview button is located in the top menu of your editor. By clicking this, you can simulate the user experience to verify that your audio plays seamlessly. Test out the functionality on both desktop and mobile devices to ensure full compatibility across different platforms. Once everything looks and sounds perfect, the next step is to publish your changes. This is done by simply clicking the Publish button. This action makes your updates live so everyone can enjoy the new audio experience on your site. Finally, after publishing, click Done to confirm the changes. Congratulations, you've successfully enhanced your Wix site with audio elements. Thank you for following along with this guide. Happy site building!